examples if they don't give us the radius right away. Okay, so for example, let's say they give us the center is located at -8, 0, and they give us the circumference. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so circumference, that's exactly right. It's around the circle. So we need these other formulas, okay? And I'll provide these for you. The circumference formula is 2 pi r. Okay. So, I mean, the first part of this is simple. It's just x plus 8 squared y squared, right? Because we don't have a y movement because it's at 0. But we're missing the r. Okay, so sometimes they don't give us the radius right away, but we can backwards work it to figure it out. So I know the circumference formula is 2 pi r. And I know that circumference equals 10 pi. So
we have to figure out what r is.
R is. Yeah. Or to equal, so this is the circumference. They're saying that's equal to that, right? The circumference is this. So that's equal to that. And that has to equal that because they told us it's equal to that. So I can solve this for r. Multiply both sides by 2 pi. Is that okay? The pi's divided by pi is 10 divided by 2. 5. That's our radius. Okay. So again, is it going to be 5 or 5 squared or 25 or 25? 5 squared. Okay. So sometimes they don't give them to you right away, but we just backwards solve it. Yeah, go ahead and try it, graph it, see if it's true.
The negative on the 8 doesn't have anything to do with anything?
Yes, it has a lot because it told us that I had to move left 8, but to move left 8, I have to do plus 8 because it's the opposite. Yeah. Square, I think on your compass you have to do shift 6, is that right? The little caret? Yeah, shift 6. Okay, let me give you one with area just so you can see how it works. We're going to play more with decimals, okay, I promise. Yes, sir. Refresh it. It shouldn't be. I turned it off. It just lingers for some people. I don't know why. But it's completely turned off. Okay, let's do a center. And then the area. Lincoln, did that work? Or no? No? Okay, we'll get to it here in a second. Okay, so 324. X plus 1 squared, right? It's the opposite. Plus y minus 1 squared. And it's the same type of problem. Like I don't know the r, so I need to get the r from that area. So I need the formula for the area. The area of a circle equals pi r squared. Okay. So I treat it the same way. I know the area. So pi r squared is equal to 324 pi. Does that make sense? Setting the formula equals to what the area is actually equal to. Okay. And notice the only variable, the only thing left is the r. So I can solve for r. Okay. I'm going to divide both sides by pi. That gets rid of my pi's. Well, how do I get rid of that square? Square root it. Square root this side. 324 you probably don't recognize, but it's just take the square root of 324 and it is a perfect square. 18. Okay. So, is that right, guys?
Yeah. What are we gonna squeeze?
Well, that's the thing. So, is my equation correct, or should I put a square on there? Square, okay? Because if that's what I want my radius to be, my radius is 18. I have to put a square, because remember, it's the number that you're squaring that makes the radius. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now